Semenu Yesu. Me want to me say my fata majekwa. Hallelujah. Jesus, now also Mobukasi. Ah, Usade Majikashira. Wabafora Kumefini. Amona. Hey, Namudo Jesus. Hey, Namudo. Fusuni na Chemobra. Wow, Mama, yes, you control. Listen, hey, you we don't need that. Hey, you no more don't know. Now, the move from Sony, not showing. Mama, yeah, that's your control. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. If I chop Bibia Boko, dear, I do believe so. Here, and then Radiasi one pen so dear dream. And on Friday, the 29th of October, 2021, and it happens to be the very last working day in the month of October. Time check is 28 after 3. As usual, if you celebrate your copy, about 6. OfieKwanso. Now Fridays they are not showing Formula B now, so we call it here Freestyle Friday. You know what I'm saying? Muni abema Jerry Justice na motimi ken Papa Bills wa African wa James Town Jeko wa Ella wa Hetin so wa. Eti akoya ni mu a. If I chop baby I'll be able to join me on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now most of Facebook run was say Facebook no say no. What they say our friend say? Say metal say bibi za. 4 letter word be start with M and then it metal, right? It say Najumani Dino, I don't know. It say the owners of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, Meta. Are you? Yes, you're. Now, and now, Friday, now a freestyle Friday, you know. And the videos of our time now, they brown. A yes or no. Me baba yi video natural now we no minti cheche muncho bebre. It is a one man Facebook where you cannot answer yes or no. O share video no na adwuma bi a wan ye video ni mu no. Anya bi asa wunya kwanya atu kwan akwama no ne wafi oman Ghana mu ukosiki for greener pastures na oman kuna ukodu so no ba bia kwatran no area mu ofo no job omo ye no omzo we dey had adwuma ye ni to abade a we bia na ba ya would you do that job or you not? Yes or no? Who should video we answer a bit me answer? Hey, this job. Me kwa kumo mu de. Me mamu ni kan hwe video but me pan de. That day na meka say omo hwehwe the next available flight na say from right Ghana. Because I can't do that job. Hey! No. But maybe we are brave enough you can do that job. And do that, bra Facebook. So my kind job no unless you watch the video and son. It's about Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Rahos is here na ebra. Now fe me the video ne show now show we are. Just let me know by way of commenting. Yes or no. Would you do that job or you will not? Now what may I swat it? Kelkiss charcoal toothpaste. Your friends say Kelkiss toothpaste. When you phone there na charcoal woman. You mo kiss ne there say I know strawberry near there one. Kelkiss toothpaste. When you be the true ban say a boy ye pa protect your gum no prevent cavity. Mama say a year strong and healthy with freshness all day. Eti from penny for the drink colan and colan the friend Kelkiss toothpaste. Eti mofra between 2 and 6 for no. Fetch your mama mom bibia be kama every summer company limited. FDA so amunchi waja to me say yeah. Kelkiss toothpaste. I available. Oh crew baby. Kelkiss. Happy smile. I feel your fast dama a floral disposable handkerchiefs. Papa. Mama dia pe bi echa kwan abusia. And say said we are ne bono. Free to say you can credit papa we are no pe baby attraction why free. And also look out for floral toilet rolls, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, as well as floral box tissues. Now comes in a beautiful new packaging as Floral Joy, Floral Smile, and then Floral Giant. Available in a shop near you. Nebo also for Pedro Fair Delta Paper Mill Limited. 0243 033 033. We are young food Genie Foods Genie Foods nuania a day ye. You were a year a short to be brave. Genie sunflower oil. What the chicha a kama say. And you want Genie rice. On one day you makuma Genie mayonnaise. Genie milk. I feel Genie sardines. Just say, o kitchen obey the year partner or bar on sano abba my yakanfua. So you sue a Genie food. Your products in there, papa. Price also the year is I say a dream. Shops and stores and supermarkets, how don't you know? Ubenya a Genie food CB. Do drop pan of phrase 0540 108 531. That's 0540 108 531. Genie, I may fear you're dead. Move on. But your businessman be the abba. Abetu yanim say yenso yafa to Ghana fo nyina anim say why the pa ope gas station a rent ana auto enti wo gas station bi eda ba bi kama now person dey rent obi no pretty ana otomo obi no momoden aso be fresh businessman yi e won ho pa na watu aka nche bibi ani a enhye obi aman kama na di ye to ase gas station owners. I'm a person more rent na more ton more gas stations no more free urei 055 612 9320 055 612 9320 na bibi anso etimi ako ye kama pa we obi akwa middleman zimbia me frefre metete ye gas station owner nankasa na ye na transition nkunu business ye bia na ade Airtel Tigo Tugu Misu promo. Wow, look. Joe, it is raining cash everywhere in Ghana. Oh yes. Netatemwa de kopim. Aya December. Every hour, every day, every week, every month. Cash nana amount for dia. Na grand cash price no 100,000 Ghana cedis. Ultimate jeja ho. You Airtel to go phone this is here. Nebo star 500 hash. Ne recharge with 5 cedis or more. Ne build the points. After bundle purchases and usage, you know, so more points. And daily SMS trivia now, you know, so bit me more points, more power. 30 pesos per now, more points. Airtel to go money transactions need now, so bit me a be or build more points. I was just so we need to be or Airtel to go miss promo. You better contact her with only one number 0260 000 100. Any other number be our contact her. Patrol AS Cam. Now I show you Airtel to go. Life is simple. Oka na engine bit me last time out there. It depends on fuel I the good car anymore. And yes, I watch change you oil near gamnia de ada about to fuel quanchen de be a guma there be car ne kwa ne bubu patrick anymore. What is sad was say engine to fuel papa and your friend go higher grade fuel. Yes. Proven and accepted. And most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. What is our superior qualities in now to Yako Feda at 45 with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer. Yeah, make you more efficient, eco-friendly, now turn at no extra cost. It no bet me a Super XP on 95 and now Goyle Diesel XP. Now the Guka and Boko. They are available in all Goyle fuel stations across the country, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. So go on and fill up with Goyle high grade fuels. Ajibebia, Goyle, good energy, Goyle. Yeah, I heard him. Now, this is something that is going to light up your home. Now, in fact, gay cute. In fact, this girl will blow your mind away. Oh, yes. And this girl is coming to light up your home with non-stop movies, non-stop music, non-stop sports, and non-stop entertainment. In fact, this girl, she's got it all. What did I say? She's coming with goodies and kasapa for everyone. Your dad, your mom, their kids. In fact, everybody's gonna love this girl. She is coming. Are you ready to receive her? Ghana, are you ready for her? Sure. Are you ready? And you stay tuned. Na koswa na show DSTV na OfieKwanso ba. Yes. Why you want baby? Oh, no worry. Stay tuned to the DSTV. The girl is coming. Says bet me order favorite fruit from that special restaurant, and I'll bet me a deliver package. I won't cry. So I'll bet me a shopping for groceries and so from that supermarket. Bet me when you now on Glovo. It's a Glovo app not about the amount. Glovo app now is not only easy to use and convenient, but with me expect orders now delivered in minutes. Now them download the Glovo app no say from the Google Play Store or App Store. Next sign up. You use to promo code way Glovo Day GH GLOVODEYGH Glovo Day GH. Now ben 10 CDs off your first order with Glovo. Order anything and get it delivered in minutes. The new HD Plus decoder and wasem. Now that can was same way we be obenya Dalton Thomas be because Jerry asem na kan yampa. It is a me 20 bi na me hwa Adom TV. Na say mo ye program na etwam a metimi san kra komachi san kohwe na masa enti de kan na ye betimi abetan those we intro. David. Ma on sanka the new HD plus decoder ni bi. Simple. On second be we are tie e kwan be fast was feature we no betimi use no say. Fa USB flash drive share nechi at least so timinya the storage size no anya hwe kra no e wo be 4 gig e wo so what you say now the tua HD plus decoder nechi wo we yan say we pe we I feel from that day on no say Adom TV na hwe na TV bia wo hwe bia no obi ba on chen na bia nkomodie bi ni ade kra na utimi record program no to na actually wa hwe na utimi pause live TV na wo hwe no oso me kwadun so aba etuba na wabetoa so from baby a pause no all the empathy no wo hwe bibi na nko ye utimi san rewind call back no wan san hwe ni biem no what you say TV na all the na control no na there's a viewless experience no asesa just any prayer was from the baby what a friend more 0242 439 872 HD Plus, the Philly experience. If I try me on Facebook or not, the video now shares why. Would you do this job? If you are to travel abroad now, could do ISO, but I'm why today, a Juma in the Waba de Anya Kwaba. Obey said, may I now say, oh, yeah. Let me know. The video never to see here and to show you Nafi. What do I mention by way of commenting now? They are to our Facebook patch. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. The mom shen say, Yami Adom wa Ochine Sunday 3 p.m. Yeah, the more Kasa Jumedin air bro. Our Adom FM so hosted by Pukuya 101 and then Mike 2. Location here Tamas Kitchen, Tema Krom 2. Or just a Kufi or Chame be passing through near the celebs pina near there. It is sponsored by Joy Industries and our Melina Children's Heaven, a Pumding Herbal Center, and our Jehovah is my friend restaurant. Sanso and our Winbura Spicy Kebab HB. Mokasa is powered by Pukuya 101 Concepts. And Rana may come be saying, Nanwa Dawa, Face WhatsApp on Yaduma. Yes, Facebook on Yaduma. Yes, Instagram Yaduma. Not for Krumo Dejia. I said, Nah, actually, I did about Kunia Binza. They say they are some and they MTN Ayoba Alande. Now, Ayoba, yeah, can want me. Joe Emuye Bruta and they ain't idea Alande. Oh, yes, Ayoba. All in one app that lets you chat, call, share, play, pay, and listen to music as well. All on one app for everyone. Yes. Let me send this card fire MTN Momoso while you chat with your favorite vendors, family, friends, and also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. What you say? Nina on Ayoba. You can play games, listen to music, and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. Download the Ayoba app from the Google Play Store or App Store. I enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. I say Ayoba are available to all networks, but MTN users there, you get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. Okay, so by kind courtesy, Aquatabs water purification tablet. Your boy room on Facebook. Nah, yeah, the and videos of our time no abro. But minim so so ya no pe what you choosing. But on nam ho nyina no. I say wonu mu nko yie bi ni ade ade am say paste no. Toothpaste na shut down ko yie amansa. Pacho, you can check out a close up ever fresh. And they yet be strong about shim. There's something new. I de shim. And no any fennel. Triple fresh formula. Yes, it cleans, protects, and cools. Thanks to the powerful combination of 1, a purifying gel, and then 2, an antibacterial mouthwash formula. They are 1, and then 3, ice cool crystals that cleans, fights up to 90% bacteria, and intensely cools. Come on. It really true serious and as an orange when now. Oh yes, I can't say it's one as one cream from a crack on we say I know. Now we know it keeps you protected and fresh long after brushing. Tiba Sanka a close up triple fresh formula B. It cleans, protects, and cools. Go grab yours now. Your more Facebook on our share and a video. Pacho. And then Friday, Freestyle Friday, show no formula be new. I just say, yen said the pen and a quiffy. Now, the woman say, and then videos of our time. The Abizan say, so who took coin? I can't to be a bit down or lie. So, Charlie, or abroach. Now, what's a plim poor? Who could do a man on a baby? I'll quite try a okosway. So area more a juma, a was ample time ye to say, Bia. What call baby to say, Eric, I see you where the crew more gratitude. Bepon, a honor castle coyer farms are when we are broba, pineapples, I'll be dear bruby. A crew with that. And I, snap one baby, they are fishing away. It took one contra area, because so a juma in the air. Would you do that job or you not? Jeko, for video notice man. Pacho, we no meet me church on radio so. Just a while back Facebook now be share video no. Now be share. Now I catch him say this job oh Jerry I can do it and I this one dey mess up by Tragana. Me the medical catch him say minya ko no mo chem say job ni nyam so please look for the next available flight to Ghana. Me sanko bu. Edi Pacho yes or no? Would you do this job or you not do the job? Me kasa mi chichi mu a open and watch no re. Hwe won ade I say tank bi a e ho a I say well bi a yatu. Won padi na ya man so na mo a mo hwe on Facebook na kwa na ya man so afi saa ensuo no mu no. Owo na oda ensuo no mu no. Eye owo a ehun adwuma na omo ye. Omunye sa owe python akese no omunye sa owe nti ba bia hono de hwe area ho e waterlock area and I say ya well nkitikiti bebre ho na omunye mo anu obuna padi ba akoko check o no ba ko na python no chichire no nti ni cruise no komo anya faster ma anka abo no chichire padi no anka otwini mu akunani enom timbaji ni fi o won nsem eti na fe yes any omon transfer o won e wo sa particular pit we mu no now look at she said the omo air transport o won de enipa 4 even grade 5 3 engineers ro and 2 gina nsuo no and omo mo won so a na omo twe abo ni mu odu rough eti adwuma omo ye wo no this is their job. A Juma way, this is what put food on their table. Omo the end say, a boy no money no. Enti one wo bebre. E tuba ya say o ne my best yam Juma ho need na on so akwa bi nti we anye bia no. Would you do this job or radio there be where I will be unemployed. She said I want to be in here. O ma so ni ti no mo transport no here. She said, oh my goodness. Me the medical me. No. This one, oh they mean jobless now. I want for the comments number. We if he edin po eden TN boys edin on the aba osi no Feriza Aqua ono so osi no on the no no bebre oba pefia ono de osi oh no and your trust go anymore messages no skip is two and a month for two gumsa but it looks like no for the doors of papa business no. Why are all of you saying no? Matilda Aqua, or say, no. Celestina Agbozo, or say, no. Frederick, also, or say, Kai, never. Not just saying, yeah, dear, obey crack. Okay, so more messages coming in. Nana Abena, in Kenjo, doing the Michelle, also share. No. And Etonam, Edni Diaba, and also, or say, like, I go date GH and chew my Garissa. Mabel of or say, no. Nene Kwame. Or say, Brajay, I beg, David, Tony K. Also, or say, no. Odikro, Telco, great. Also, say, no. I won't even. Just a dead one crying on ye dead one cry who's not live snake like this. And yeah, they are a possible say obey. Okay, J. Augustus honest was it like I go sell ice kinky for roadside in Ghana. Audrey, so the Audrey message no coach. Ali messages no amount for the bar morning nana the all no skip and Francis Aban also or say, oh my God, I will never. And Gladys Efum also I say Kai never I say GH Pentagon or say H I do it for the message you call and say so for no spending will be obey also it's a nice job on the obey and Bedu Ebenezer also say no Mata Jimado or say I will never and ever do this job. Nana Kwame Harmony on us was no Brad Jerry and I say are you young or say and yet a Juma way dear and Fawai a patch of video in the goose one. Also, let me check out the video on Facebook page on Pacho Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Now, what you say? If you are offered this job, what you call Kupiaman on any say Juma Wunia, Obeya na and Albesanka say Obeba Ghana. Egusu Edregu, to wait me out on Facebook or bread, yes, they're my proud sponsors. Aquatabs water purification tablet. Yeah, no, Wunya Bia. It kills all microorganisms in water. Say, be able to avoid waterborne diseases. In Tiana, PBH, crime. A boy, yipa, and hotels, restaurants, hospitals near their dinner, and one and also look out for Aquatabs Food Safe. And no wako kruma fruits and vegetables they are befino. And far ordinary water and washing keke. Na and shall say indi. Use Aquatabs Food Safe. For wash hunina say be kum bacteria and germs be a fruits and vegetables no na mudia anko for how bia am farm remo FDIS an kratu mu hwemu agia to so how bia ni ho opedo a e pacho free 020 907 7726 so on kran ha kumase phone free 050 169 4275 na ko fudu afo free 0244 593 381. Yes, our chemical shops, supermarkets, and pharmacies. Pinuno Okwa also onsa Ebeka Ode Edia Fio. Ogusuti Adom 106.3 FM. And I said medical there too anymore. On Fridays, dear Joe, show no formula be any who. A con freestyles na your queer baby. Na me one fantastic gentleman wa na ono nenyo mono omo apili to omo no chese e cast across baby obi atre no obi afili no obi afili ne nyom ne ade na sede aya minya dofo bi nim say number sramia me ne omo ye no ene ono so me ne be sa ntiwe no onya we bate e be sa ne ko ansa kra na ye be ma na kwa ba na ye na di nkomo no under 2 minutes on my asema Ghana phone na wie yemfa ntu ye hofo a short message aye na yemfa ntu ye hofo just a short one under 2 minutes. Now you're for to your phone. Ghana food you.
They for you now. They put him on the spot.
Yes,
anyway, it's my mom dinner na dem nti.
Oh there, yeah, for we didn't do
anyway, a big tax, but then if you bit me execute. Make it we are very day. My message Ghana for you now there. Odo na kroye
sure
na say yet some atasia yet no be akoye day or IGP or you find the police folk of picking up na semebri me feel the ni na so ni pepe ma enti no so odo na kroye na ye de tena mama ono onko banedam and I dey put obi on in a dreadful way to me feel the yan for odo na kroye yeah fantina all true
that's nice. Love and unity. A good message, partner. There, man. That was it for this message, especially getting into the weekend now. Such a message, Abayakwem. We're so thankful to you. Tia baba na fe. Mo joining on Facebook. There, me say muhu na nimna mohu no. Mo unim no so there. By introduction no mo muti already no so no. E be introduction no kama na ato aso. Na emom no. Na se mo ayetie ye di tu ye ho fo yi. Almost sikasem almost boy fa ho ka no bright garlic plus capsules no fi Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic abuso papa na adwuma ye no so very 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 important boy improve blood circulation boost your appetite no my immune system no so ye den control cholesterol afi blood pressure any sugar levels nyina so ntia no apɛ bi a kira kwan omokro assignment bright soldier capsules enhance libido sexual weakness if you waist pains in there clear now feel low sperm count no I take care of it ama bibia ada normal pa e the amount King's Walk Herbal any hallow herbal e wo kan shi drug no kwa dodo bi onya bia sabeka I feel call a tribe of Judah or Kaswa na tinata herbal shops ni nyina across the country be available yes I call Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic obetimi afre 0243 983 906 and 0261 651 898 na fe as they do no ye dia ma MTN and they medical there to enim that so akofa ayoba e dia ba we all in one app multi chat or call or share or play or pay na fe wasan crowd tie nyom ne they all on one app for everyone ni nyina say utimi kra sign this ka few MTN momo e wa bra or chat with your favorite vendors, family, friends, and I feel so crying about the latest trends. They caucus of various channels. I would only now wait me. You can play games, listen to music, and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba. It's a patch of Google Play Store and App Store. Net download the Ayoba app. No, now also a share say communicate. Yes, our app we see so. Now, she say Ayoba ni available for all networks. Network be used to be a bit me about but MTN users it may enjoy at no data cost be so hurry now download Ayoba made for Africa for the world. Finally, as they do on the Yafama a door master and a Pubiman paint depot. Also Branaba enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, bathroom doors. Nina are available na price also the year pa. And our back yen painter from one so. Your partner with News Paint. And she share by a friend of paint now, pay later. Nina say churches, hospitals, schools, offices, government institutions, individuals, and real estate developers. Now some magic paint. Muhia dia painting mo dan ahodo no na yen spread this kind of enfamam mututu an kakra Brian for interest bia enka ho emamo and no bo room ya so wona be hwen yen big mix machine a yen yetimi mix over 10,000 colors delivering with precision your color preference bibia ni a hwen chi akwan ewo ye Pubiman on the Accra Kumasi highway your Pubiman to booth in fact so gina Pubiman to booth wa when it yen shop no obetimi afre 0542 745 222 and our fee 050 021 2447 na ye dim komo de. Now in case you are still wondering who gave us a message here due to your own for you now say na why the studio ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Narrow X baby.
Come here,
you can join us live on Facebook. That's right.
He made me the winner. They had no return.
That's right.
Some message to follow me. Papa, what's it that you and I made
That's right.
I was a man, Baba. When I check the check, that's a man. One day I'm
Say anyway, baby. All right, Neres Akwaba. Now, Minya Bibia Boko there.
Oh, Yamina do Mibia Kodo come.
I said, a tune can't be said, yes, and walk to Tebinia there. Now, what's your hand?
With us, I'm fine. Check as a material for you.
A tear for Joseph. A tear for Joseph.
Yeah, me take time out small. Yeah, then focus my family kakra.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes you man is kakra. Now other stuff now. I going to see na the baby meeting. Man, me there me step out small and I acquire 1 or 2. But then yeah, back.
It is say share pack share check a cream wasaba. Share near Konya the Adino. They say no coming back again. No, send a new moment here.
For the right now, why that wasn't first? Why better than yeah. Right now, it's quite okay and easier a little bit than before. No, the before CD, CD. But right now, everything is on the digital platforms. As I say, and again, a bit to my own movement. Maybe I should be say a component to. Just them back down my by a promotion. I can still go back. Like I say, but then right now I'm in Ghana.
Okay.
And it's not like before. Question be something that's not like before. Right now it's better.
All right. But which year was this song?
Okay, so it was 2014, 2015.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And see, before this annual, what were you doing?
Before not me and Yum do, but then I'm autocratic. No, I mean, Takano, yeah.
West side,
West side, yo. I say tardy for Lagos town. I'm a woman Lagos town.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I guess that's all Kakako. I'm underground. Many more. Yeah.
What kind and many more now. Show me.
Yeah, until Kakako the manager. Me coco reality shows fine. We were school 20 I think 205. Yeah, me co reality show next cafe Africa Revelation. Yeah, me na ISM na Tracy na so from there 2010 me another reality show. Start grab the mic. Yeah. No, so me did third. Yeah, was the second runner up. Yeah, until 2013 me co another reality show because now I think I could feel them with my tone, but then that my opportunity. You know, I went for this reality shows until 2013. Born Stars and me winning.
Okay.
Yeah, me winning Born Stars. So 14 and I'm drop you.
And I'll drop you.
Yeah.
But your show style now. I was like, a bit more that flair, they can sing well. No, they rap be a bit. A bit more so they can't actually find their feet very well because a band will say on rapping or represented by a band say singing so on tune so with Jemuana they are no straight na wine for pa.
Okay, I mean me a singer. Yeah, even though me to my rap guy and all, but then, I choose to sing because we feel the one and I'm sure wonder no. I mean the Papa Yansen did all these legendaries. They sang.
Yeah.
They got tone. You know, I'm feel the bit my rap or addition.
Singing more.
I try to pour my emotions on by singing.
Okay. And how do you get your songs? And when you more so far, why are they all songs like made by yourself? Like one cause I will take you time to write them.
Yeah. Oh man, me all my songs.
You wrote all your songs.
All my songs.
Wow.
I even write for people too.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
Who trauma be so?
Yeah.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah, no Oduwa Yenka, but then there's this man, Nana Kwame, Adom Nana Kwame.
Yeah.
He's been the only person match on your mama now. About yo, Nero or not sure the me. Yeah. You know, I mean big salute, boss.
Oh wow. That's nice. I was young for way and Pom says here enough and San Tron Common so. You go so and the Rex and I actually come on kaka.
Well, it's good. Yeah, I don't worry. If you don't come, worry. Never act. That's right. Can somebody come on, baby? That I but I don't worry. If you don't come with me, yeah, I go there. Can somebody come on, baby? Sure. That I live on me. But I don't worry. If you don't come with me, yeah, I go there. Cause I do now I don't worry. If you don't call me, homie, you making me turn up. Baby, come on. Hey. Now you go to follow. Now you making me colo. Hey, I wanna carry you go. Now my feet will do. I'm missing one up a go. Girl, if you wanna come by, I will shout that the call if you don't come and go die, yo. Now I don't worry. If you don't come, me, say, can somebody come on, baby? That I never know. 'cause I do yawa, 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 Shemaya, yawa, yawa, now but don't worry, if you don't come with me, say yawa go there. What? Girl, I'm missing you, baby. You are my one and only. So I want you to show me. Say now you be my homie. Yeah, me be Benny Brody. Yeah, me toughy, me chubby. Yeah, now you are go Mario. Girl, it be you and my mind, oh baby. All the shout that they go, if you don't come and go die, oh baby. Now I don't worry. Don't come me, somebody call baby. But I want on worry. If you don't come with me, yeah, go there. Cause I do yawa, Shemaya, yawa. Now I don't worry. If you don't come with me, yawa, go there.
Charlie, I don't want my dear. Charlie, no easy. Such a beautiful love song. Anyway, this one goes out to Amori, Italy. Anyway, Basuna, wow, friend me from it was Jerry Charlie. This one, if you play this one, and you yawa, they no, and no, sir, or can not maintain no cry. And I'm saying, I brought you for them high speed power. BBC, I'm on better first. Me pet ya kwaya say you're wrong ya it's a very good song.
Do I want you to show me? Then are you be my homie? Yeah, me be Benny Brody. Me toughy, me chubby. You know you are good man.
Okay, so X, I do believe there's a new one out.
Yes.
Or they are about for 2021. Now, you bet yes I know. But another time, be share the dingo about me pacho and sanano. A new way there. You found from Kakra goes a new way. I knew is an a cool one where you pa. You know, see
Max test.
Yo, big shout out to all my crew.
Yeah, that's right.
Michael, I see you. Coded, I see you. Yeah, I'm probably in Morocco. Take.
What's our legacy? The young Benes. Me young Yamaba. 20 million Kukuode. That's Baba. Asana Babudu Sanda Hatani Nedo.
That's right.
Me young Yamaba. Nara million Kukuode. That's Baba. Asana Babudu Sanda Hatani Nedo. Atani Satana Malaya, Sanda Atani Midano Satana Malaya, Sanda Atani Oh yeah, I'm into the Padesani. Young say UK, Aussia, Gia, me. You know, be cautious. Do the one is on us, one catch. It's not telling who they are. That's why I'm your cool. Medium test for your choir. What's so bona? You're back to the sender. Cause with your blessing, no one gets. Me say you will have me say that. Baba, if they just city me nipa. Ochinabi atane Satana wala wasama atane Mama yantuma atane Etimitasa Tachamada Badibuya Mojavidia Fusani Mumuyina Yana Dumarakwa. It is a Tanamon and a Quabe Trenimua Ayashanda Major Swaka Perfeda and it was a Kamana Dagayaminani a time for my money Jimmy Mukro let me share Sipa Masana sorry Mitisumo whatever Hana Baba me boy Shaya Meneza Tanyabia Atani Donipa uye papa mini ya samshe wale bwana bona watavuna
ayampa
that's so yo not ya sedanda na mamonka baby yet mamonka baby bwana na mamonka mawasama asikofu musema na daecha
Adom FM
sepana sama mesano adi baby ano ya anda atane September, check your blood pressure. I done it. I guess I'm still checking will be there.
And that's it. Yes, Orokodo. Okay. I was saying Guswan in Rex, and I have Vibun Kakra there. All right. So, young trust on young share the new one now with the Adom. Yenim, dear Utimi ye. And only nim dada. Now take a break a crane now baina yenshe denim said the ACA Kwefa. So tell us about the new one. What is it about? How is it near the new Komaka Nafi?
Okay, new one, the title is Shame. Shame. Yeah. And with there. As a yetasi, I'll be one young punk and Yaman Kodomo and it is to motivate people. One now, if there. Wash a pressure fee other side of banana won't to my handle no a chair wonder what they should hold on they should now Billy catch it into me first a dream me there a we my at the Jananka it's there Mahama at the Jananka I Dangote a big man so
that's right
another a big lady you know Billy Kebian just forget do you
okay
yeah
all right and then Nerex one kasa introduce the new one and afi yemprentum ne
my one for Charlie Elitea Echo online or the whole title me Shame. Yeah, Nerex featuring Kweku Darlington.
Great.
Kweku Darlington on it. Big shout out to my brother.
All right.
Shame, let's go, my bro.
All right.
All right. Kweku Darlington. Kama koda prison Woda jinanka madani bandit Woda jinanka madani donkey Woda jinanka misibana medi Misu Mida jinanka miya dangote Mida jinanka miya mahama Mida jinanka miya kufuwado ma too much money follow me Shame on you, oh, shame on you Shame on you, oh Jodo Shame on you, oh Shame on you, oh Shame on you Shame on you, oh Shame on you Shame on you, oh, shame on you. Shame on you, oh, shame on you. Shame on you, oh, shame on you. Would I get on Kamadani donkey? Mama, she can't sono. Uda jinanka mesira media mama dia mama fono. It's uda jinanka mida bola. Uya yanka vinika fa. Mimi da jinanka makiti se shata wale ba makoko feature Beyonce. Uda jinanka vini dama. Uya yanka vini simple. Me say me da jinanka. Midajina kambiye Ibrahim Hama. Midajina kambiye Kofi Ama. Midajina kambiye Kennedy Japwa. Me despite too much money follow me. So shame on you, 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 shame on you.
That's right.
Shame on you, shame on you, shame on you, shame on you, shame on you. Despite music, I just mean to me, your despite challenge, I'm your metri. My sorry, I'm a friend, Mohammed, this account, come on, you too far to say the living, you're there, and mine. So, what I do not can I'm a friend, I'm a Diana. Made I do not come at your chairman, as phobia. What I do not come, Bema, your best doctor, who's in the royalty, a best already, also pay me. Tell me, what I do not come in the sample. That's a hint and I'm consuming pimping, I'm a camp. Made I do not come here, you, Mahama, I'm just Ghana, I'm a Shia, on your matter, that's right. Yeah, never knew Kuna Wumba. I was a Wujamia, my mobile. Now I fine when I was showing a young shame on you, 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 shame on you. Shame on you, 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 everybody, shame on you, 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 shame on you. I be say okay, quick, shame. What do you do? Shame. I will feel that too. Shame.
Loving this one. Where West Side and Kumerica, you know what I'm saying?
West Side Legacy and
Kumerica. You know they see. It go on well. But Charlie, some part of Wakano.
Oh yeah.
You see, it is not everybody who wishes you well.
Exactly.
Eka obi kura nka upia bontia nka ka bi mfa so kura na enku enti de ono dwima ono no ba wan kasa wodo won so no onso eka nko anka so ya Bill Gates onso
system.
That's right.
Actually, big shout out to Logi. I actually got this inspiration from him. Logi,
Papa Logi.
No, Logi. One, there's this young chap on Instagram.
Okay.
So with that junior uncle.
Yeah. Ube I see.
So big shout out to him. Whoever that respect is due.
Yeah.
And feel that man gratitude because he actually played a good
That's where the inspiration came from.
Exactly.
That's fine. And you'll be an acknowledge so it's good you've done that. All right, so shame is everywhere, every platform. Yeah, mouthful beats me and Saka.
Yeah, exactly. And the year drop. And the year dropping on the pay at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
So right now it's on all platforms, like all digital platforms. Spotify, Apple Music, Audiomack, YouTube. You drop visualizer on YouTube.
Okay.
But then official video nangasa next week. You will drop official video next week. But then for now is a visualizer that is on YouTube. Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then now you better him kwan. Say bibia so ebeko ye na video nangasa so be na de na say. Nti abusia Charlie, get on it. Baby, go get yours now. Enjoy kakra and fan support brother. It's a good song. We know so I know now the shame now motivation and no know. I'm out for wish for your downfall. No. You to aim high. So be ko apps there. Oh, fashion na
But then Jerry, there's more coming as I say. This year Yankasa before we end no. Yeah. And Shakwa the Koba Kenya.
Wow.
As I yeah. And right now we have been full force. Heavy.
And easy.
So fans, just keep praying, keep supporting. Go
follow me on all social media platforms.
Sure.
On Instagram or in XGH, on Facebook or in X, on Twitter in XGH. Baby, I just follow me. Now get jam at us. Baby also go to piano. Yeah, full force.
That's nice. Ansana Obekono, Yama the opportunity. There are people who want to show some appreciation to Omo Anafi and sorry.
G in the States, G or USA.
Okay.
Yeah, that's so good. Yeah, big shout out to bro. 2G's Entertainment. To my bro, Abu Malaika, to Pabin, to Michael, and Coded. All my crew, Ines, I see you. Charlie, Westside Legacy for real. Kumerica, Charlie Elbow, Atasa.
That's right.
Baby, I gonna go stream. Menkasa.
Yeah. All right. So that's shame on you. Brand new joint from my man Nero X, and it features Kweku Darlington. And now the new way dropping, you know what I'm saying? Fresh out. You know, West Side Legacy and now Kumerica combination, you know what I mean? Yeah. Collaborating great. Because Kweku Darlington so say China now rap it tapo. All right. Yeah, we say you never trust Wakoya anymore. And Chebiano. Ever say another and come over in Sonia there. Catch yourself Fridays, the freestyle and the Jinemwa. But Eliana may come beach say there's a new girl in town, and this girl will blow your mind away. Oh yes, and the girl is coming to light up your home. Or more of you know, just say why come up, why the dead pa. Now the audible of you know, non-stop music, non-stop movies, non-stop sports, non-stop entertainment, and I get you audible. What I say? She's coming with goodies for everyone. So your dad, your mom, the kids, so watch out for this girl. She's coming. Are you ready? Ghana, are you ready? Sure. Are you ready for this girl? And then stay tuned to DSTV. Very, very soon you see this girl, you know what I'm saying? If I the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is ongoing currently at the Accra International Conference Center. This year, fair theme there, that's not home ownership to buy or to build. Etiboru Accra International Conference Center, I shall say, and rather 28th. Nyame Adom on Monday, the 1st of November 2021. And Shane Nabeberry each day be air from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And I so for further inquiries, no afraid 0546 908 179. Now 054 00 your phone number name 054 011 0389. Now yeah, dim come up. Shame on you. Now so say there will let properties at the Abano a special discount sale. When Christmas promotion when they are back and no. Now yeah mount assassin and the boy your foot na maso sembia so anyhow. Chopoli airport city Portemo. Afe Sutwari junction. Ubetimi anya assassin to 4,000 cities ojo. Dowenya 6,000 cities ubetimi anya plot at all. As you dance so Afe Ayukuma 10,000 they are not what just say. Oh, baby. Apollonia, pram, Honina, your sasso. I wanted that from Yipa. Wait a special discount sale. If you sabi, I'll copy the end of December 2021. Your installment payment plan. Y'all bet me I read Twitch and Kakaka. What the Kakaka twice and your wires as number. Not the can wine Kakaka. Yeah, free site visit. And they sign free documents and so Edema. Don't trust us in Remy and sign Cassitrius. Can you find your documents, Mark Debbie? Oh, yeah, Chakwan, you're a shaman. Timber Market Roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road. You have Bank of Africa. About Chobe Fra 0244 756 984 and our face 0243 740 485. Now, to us, Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, check with your time now. It is 4:30 on 106.3 FM. Now in the studio, a real preach. And you are also about the kitchen come on, see
honey. It's office Kwana when him Aquataps full safe and I tell Nini about Udini de Piano. Aquatap full safe, and I'm a door home. I send away you.
Almost also Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, Omonde Ebulumunsu, Efomunsu, Surunsu, any sia, and one tea, Edia Wanda Dejum, Emfa or Haubia Embre. Osanko de Yusud Mapumudin so yepa. And Nontinamato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet made the paper surfaces beer, Emma and Hote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you feel Aquataps Abama Mose, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Kratui Atum.
Dream me say Sakovidi ebedi so afebo nanso ya ben pa say ye bedi sunkunim akaka kra bi mum nanso ye ndruye enti ye dru so a kowo pane no se wo pese wo kotwa skydiving e wo ko bi po so a kowo pane se wo pese wo beko stadium a e ho abo mape no wo gbaje wo ball boku a wani ji ho pa no live a kowo pane na wo pese wo ni wo twotwombutu e ko bia ya yi sini anwumre bia kowo pane na ye tumia ben adofonom ebe hia se ye nyina be Jumedi, ain't ko wo paneno, and my yina, Ghana mine, woman found one in Tejumedi everywhere you go. So open Cransha, call one more pushafrica.com and Kratoi free MTN, any yellow hope.
Bright Soldier capsules. Demon Sama Mamio. Share.
Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free brand chance says me use Bright Garlic Plus. No, men sana titi ninano. Menusu ne chirimi. Any menuma tuninano a giant when you know now dear me.
Bright Soldier. It's me general body pains. Nasam waba. Anu be Martinka. A kwasro papa. A year Jumase Unkonya.
Hey na.
Kwa pharmacy kameka. Any herbal shop will be a mukajo Bright Soldier and a Bright Garlic Plus. A tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Ewonungwa Dogon, Last Stop, SA Junction. Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic capsules. And your draw that FDA. Ashisha sa a gradient cratway ajatum say.
Enfia na ntam ne asuku dan ebukumu suku nkwada basia ewo breman jamra yayaya nti ebetena se ayehwehan ama torentam kesiese bi asan ababa betu mbio tepida ni santi na sese yedi ntubuan kakra edi si suku dan foforo man kwada waka kire no kitwa bi enswa ni santi na multimedia adwako no ene Star Ghana Foundation akabomu a wodi ntubuan kakra edi apagya suku dan yi esi hon mu ebio kakra biara ekuta wo pese wodi boa no wobetumi de afa mobile money number yi so 059303883 059303883 anase ubeko Access Bank account number no eye 009010105491 Castle Road branch code no eye 009 and street code no so eye ABNGGHAC afenso so pese wotinse fufuro bi anase mo biara pese wodeba yenmo asoye anase office no ubetumi afre 0302 216540 0302 216540 the classroom project yenam to kakra ne ahumobro yeso emma asetena mu ayeye.
Some are born lucky, some are born happy, some are born rich, some are born cool, some are born confident, but Charlie, nobody was born like you. Just be yourself, do what you love to do, and you could win big in the MTN Pulse and Chill promo. Just text, browse, and score points to win cash, brand new mobile phones, airports, shopping vouchers, and more. Use the Pulse app or dial *567# to mash up and get more promo points to win these amazing rewards. Terms and conditions apply. Go be yourself everywhere you go.
Close up, ever fresh air, ever fresh air. Ever fresh air, ever close
Try you. All new close up ever fresh no. Dear Nasa.
Share. Say I was triple fresh formula be a who a bow set you by natural no say from. It's sunny near Mamiansa, a antibacteria. I could say a purifying gel. And a cadia, and my no jua ayakabo nunti. Who you know boy and no near see a chill who buy free and winning now. Then my no to say, come on, the morning na.
Close up ever fresh. Panako dear. FDIJ Jadian Katuya too.
Nami chimney ni mama to me chankasa. Say dear, me hunamaya motso fe. Geisha black soap fufrono, ye guy ankasa. Mia me who se minipidianage na sune shreyankasa.
Geisha black soap fufra activated charcoal womb. Any geisha moringa soap fufra glycerin woman. Woba bawonsam and mahunam yamoto na FDIJ Jadian Katuya too.
Busia dear, ya jini nuane ko na boso. Jini sunflower cooking oil. Anwa wasoni free sunflower mu meduane che ya akono. Ade ba ko amepe wa jini anwa yi hone se. Meduane ye na jini mu a eyiyi baako ni nham kra ni kume no. Na me ya salad. Jini mayonnaise nko na me ya esanse. E ma no ye tasty. Ya sanso wa jini milk e non dairy creamer. Jini sardine ene sardine amepepa esanse. Ubetime de aduane bia. Na se wunya didi wo doko na. Ubehunu se ye good. Right spaghetti inso ka jini ebusiakuo ne ho. Ni senti beka jini ebusiakuo ne ho. Esanse jini mafie ye de. Jini die ekoso FDIJ Jadian Katuya ya to.
Mothers of Africa. Mame, my day enya hoden.
E wose wo fa geisha semina suban. Jina hopinti na ko wenim. Mempa aba. Kosi se wonsa beka weni da so ade nyina.
Matumame, mejina painting akomenim na machepa to say geisha semina. Be strong and last.
Sakratwe FDIJ atu.
Ghana Numina had a boss.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3. This is high definition. An explosion in the city. 106.3 FM. They are tough.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
We fresh again. No, that boy from Uganda.
OfieKwanso with the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I say they work for the cities. Orisha make you show us the way. We can never live without the cities. Papa make you show us the way. I say they work for the cities. Orisha make you show us the way. We can never live without the cities. Boys they got me to pay. I won't pull up in a Lamborghini. I won't pull up in a Ferrari. I won't pull up in a Benz. Orisha make you show us the way. Where the cities the day, every night and day. I come from the street, me I know. Get up boy when he get big it is. Orisha bless me every night and day. Momsy go take, niggas go take. Many see this day. Make we buy many properties. Orisha bless me properly. He speak fresh again. Mr. Focus is back again. I'm here with the cities again. Cause we left to feed them. Baba show us the way. Many cities the day. Every night and day. Boys go pop champagne. Yes. As we they work for the cities, Orisha make you show us the way. We can never live without the cities. Baba make you show us the way. As we they work for the cities, Orisha make you show us the way. We can never live without the cities. Orisha make you show us the way.
That's right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, check out our time now. 39 after 4. In the studio, it's real. Right?
Refresh.
Hey. No, then is that the name is what? Real. And the fresh is what?
Fresh
is what's fresh?
Abbreviation of precious.
Precious.
Yes.
So real Precious.
Yeah, among the Precious, I'm the real one.
Among the precious, you are the real one.
Yeah.
Hey, bruh. So real Precious.
Yeah, that'd be the name.
So, but what's your real name?
Precious.
You are Precious what?
Precious Thomas.
Precious Thomas.
Thomas Ashido-san, yes.
And where are you from?
I'm from Delta State, Nigeria.
All right. Okay. So at your farm and come on because on country, but me invite a branch seminar and come out because or when you been a first time I meet here, you I'm so wow. Or say Akola, you better when you support piano, you for use your brain. Child will no get help.
Yes, now you will not get passport using brain.
And look at that person need to go back. Then you were meeting I the hear CDs for and the title of the song is actually CDs.
Yeah, one of my songs.
But you are a Nigerian. Why are you singing about CDs?
I'm a traveler. I'm currently based in Ghana.
You are currently based in Ghana. So you are doing music here in Ghana.
Yeah.
Though you are Nigerian.
Yeah.
And so what? But why? What's happening back home?
Like music is expression. You can do it anywhere.
Yeah.
Anytime. I do music Ghana. I'm based in Ghana. I don't stay in Nigeria that much.
Okay. So you stay here the most.
Yeah.
All right. But now let's get this one clear. Is it that you're here in Ghana and probably doing your whatever work you're doing and you want to do the music alongside, or you came to Ghana just to do music over here?
Actually, I've been coming and going. So yeah, I've been coming and going. Then I've been doing music in Ghana for the past few years, like 6 years. Yes. Yes.
But what of Nigeria? Are you promoting your stuff over there as well?
Yeah. I've been doing music for over 15 years.
You've been doing music for over 15 years?
Yeah. I'm about to drop my EP.
Wow.
I've had a lot of songs, but this EP.
You have a lot of singles.
Yeah. Yes.
But you're working on your EP.
Yes.
Okay.
It will drop maybe first week of next month.
You mean this very November?
It's ready already. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I've dropped 2 songs among the EP, CDs and Brain.
Okay, so the Brain song I was talking about is on the EP as well as this CDs. Okay, so what are you actually talking about in this particular one, the CDs?
The CDs. It's just a prayer telling God to give us money, that CDs, because we can never live without money. We can never live without CDs. And I recorded this song with Posse G.
Posse G?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He's the one that worked on this one for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then Brain, I recorded Brain with Kes Beats. Shout out to you, Kes Beats and Posse G.
Right. Let's talk about doing music here in Ghana. I mean, how is it like as compared to that of Nigeria?
Basically, to me, it's same thing. It's just vibes. Me, I'm an Afro pop singer. I do rap. I have some rap song inside the EP. There's a rap song inside. Yeah. The EP. I'm working with likes of T West, though they are still on the ground. Graham D. I have a love song with Jemima. Most of the songs is just me, but I featured like 4 other artists. Yeah. Who are
based in Nigeria?
They are based. Some are based here too.
Oh, okay.
Sivaranki is based in Ghana.
I asked that question because mostly people say promoting a song in Nigeria is easier than promoting it here in Ghana because you've got the numbers. So once it's out there, you got a lot of people jumping onto it, but you don't have that numbers here in Ghana. Yeah, so
and that's what we are trying to build, a family here in Ghana, a fan base. Yeah, I still have. People are still giving me listening audience. They're trying. I think the Ghanaians too. I'm working with Ghana producer Kes Beats. He's a Ghanaian.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so let's listen to the other one, the Brain. But before we do that, tell me about it. I mean, where did you get that inspiration? Like, to come out with such a song that if you don't get help, you have to use your brain. First and foremost, what's your background? Are you coming from a relatively poor family or well-to-do or middle class or whatever? I mean, tell me about it.
I come from the streets.
from the
Just trying to
streets.
survive, yes.
Mm.
Yeah. Actually, I came from Ogwanja. I'm repping a place called Ogwanja. It's just like the way you have Tema, Nungwa. The way I'm from is Ogwanja. I always call it in my songs. Yeah, that boy from Ogwanja.
Yeah.
And I'm having.
And Ugwanja, you don't have rich people coming from there.
No, for the like average. There are still rich people, but averagely it's like Nungwa. It's a street.
Okay, but where do you live here in Ghana?
I live in Kaswa.
Oh, okay. And so why wouldn't you cite Kaswa as an example when you're using Nungwa?
Kaswa is more better than Nungwa now.
Kaswa is better than Nungwa.
Yes, sir.
What makes you think so?
The place I'm living in an estate.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. All right, so yes, tell us about that Brain song there.
Brain.
Yeah.
Even the words alone, brain. When you talk about brain, like brain is like somebody that knows his background. There are some limitation of things he's supposed to do.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to exaggerate when you know where you are coming from, and you don't have this thing you are claiming. You're supposed to use your brain, because if you brag too much, you get into trouble, and whereas you don't have anything. That's why I say use your brain.
Oh, okay.
Like if you don't have EPA, you're supposed to know some kind of. There are some limitations to things you do. Yeah, you don't just do things because everyone is doing it. Like you don't have iPhone 6. You're applying to buy iPhone 12 with all of your money. You're supposed to use your brain because it's the same function, but you're following trend.
So picking way no get help.
Supposed to use in brain.
Supposed to use in brain.
Because we are doing everything. I'm an independent artist. We are using our brain.
So right now you use your brain in doing music here in Ghana, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy this one. So this is the Brain song we're talking about.
It's a boy refresh in case you never know. Like girl, that boy from Ogwanja. Oh na na na, another one, another one. From refresh again. Picky when I get paper, suppose using brain. Baby, I see they drive for the paper, make you use your brain. Picky when I get paper, suppose using brain. Chalet, I see the drive for the paper, make you use your brain. Person where they work must for shop. Oh Lord, how long you go take? Make you reach my town, make a shop. Shebi na you bless for $10. Why my on the tail? Bless me like Dangote. Oh Lord, every day put me for your playlist. Make a start to the buy the playlist. Oh Lord, how long you go take? Make the money start today, make a pop champagne. Bass. Now you be rock of ages. Now you they bless me daily. Now you they make me wake up every night and day. Give you the praise, glory to God. I go give you the praise. We precious back again. I'm here to stay forever, forever, ever, ever. Shout out to God. Picky when I get paper, suppose using brain. I see the guy for the paper, make you use your brain. Picky when I get paper, suppose using brain. Chalet, I see the guy for the paper, make you use your brain. You know understand? For the grind, no give up. Also every day, money must to come, you don't know. We press day, yes, so all on God. Only God will. No understand? Boys, it's we press again. I'm back again. All thanks to God. Only God, you understand? Only God. So that's to Kes Beats. By this producer, Kes Beats.
Okay, so this is Brain.
Yeah.
If you know get help, make you use your brain.
Yeah.
This one, straightforward message.
Yeah.
Very simple message.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if people are doing things, please think about yourself. Look at where you are coming from.
Yeah.
You know, say mama no gets, papa no gets. Make no go do anything we go bring trouble. Come house, use your brain, yo. I talk and finish. Use your brain, All right, so all your songs are already out there, especially the 2 that we've played.
Yeah, I've not dropped. The EP is actually 7 songs and 1 bonus.
No, for the EP, we know you said it's somewhere in November. It's going to be ready, but I'm talking about this very 2.
It's online. It's available on all platforms.
All platforms that people can go for it. So, if they want to key in, what are the key words they should do? Real, Presh. Presh.
Yeah.
So REAL and then PRECH.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Then brain and then the CDs, and you will be able to get those songs.
I still have Focus.
Okay.
Already online too.
Focus. Okay. All right, but there's another one that's called Area. I want us to, enjoy that one. We'll jump onto that one. Maybe it will be the last one that we will play. Yeah. But if people want to follow you and get to know what you are up to at every point in time, do you have your social media handles that you can share with us?
Yeah, on Instagram it's Repress23.
23.
Yeah.
Okay. So REALPRECH
23.
Yeah. Okay.
Twitter Repress.
Okay.
REALPRECH. Then on Facebook, Precious Thomas. Yeah.
Oh, for Facebook is your real name?
Yeah, Precious Thomas.
Precious.
There's an underscore.
But that Precious, it's Precious, not a female name.
No.
Yeah.
A lot of people do say that. But
it's unisex, yeah. Because I have a lot of friends who are called Precious, and they are all, female, not a single male. Anyway, first time I'm hearing a guy by that name, though.
Really?
Yes, Precious. Anyway, it's all good. So, in November, your EP is going to be ready. Yeah, but in the meantime, these ones are available for us to enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This one is somehow more danceable. So let's just enjoy that one and then bring everything to. Yes. My piano one. Yeah.
I did it with T West.
You did it with who?
An artist, T West.
T West. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Monster made this.
From the street of Ogbanja. Ogbanja no Ogbanja. Hey, when I feel my pains, I got to change my dreams. No. I see the fast and pray. I know they look with your face. Then go see me for twice. Hey, I see the buckle on my shoes. Oh, so many things they let it happen for area. Many talk when they spread like malaria. Many things they for area. I thank God say we come from the area. Nobody only and know the story. From God's to grace, I give God the glory. One step at a time, always on my grind. Cause I don't get the time. Every day I shine. Best. I carry my bag and I run my race. I be on my own and they hold my leg. I dey buckle my shoe and they tie up my lace. I know they look with your face. Then they see us the way. I just dey give God the praise for my area. They know me refresh for my area. I'm a living testimony. Every day I testimony for my area. I swear for the area. Plenty talk, not a full basket. Wait, not be juju be that. I plenty water, take full basket. The talk for the ghetto too plenty.
If you want to make up for the ghetto, no plenty. Many I call, when you choosing a few. May living in the ghetto,
bro, you gotta pay your dues.
Shout out to my brother, Refresh. You gotta leave the ghetto if you wanna stay fresh. You gotta make money. essence. If you ask that, but you know what the essence. Wait, let me give you the temps, yeah. See, I tend to get a boy, use your sense, yeah. They ain't let us stress, yeah. So many things they happen for area, oh. Plenty talk where they spread like malaria, oh. Plenty things they for area, oh. I thank God, so we come up for area, and I know the story, I'm God's grace, I give God the glory, one step at a time. I'm raising my grind, cause I don't get the time. Every day I
shine. Okay, so that's area. Nice one there. Why is it that these days, like, everybody want to jump into this my piano beats? The Ghanaians are doing it, and you guys are also doing it too.
Like, my piano is trending, actually.
But it's been there for ages. I don't know why.
It's been there, but you know, that's how music is. Sometimes you have to just go beyond what is happening in your environment.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Real fresh.
Yeah.
Or fresh.
Refresh.
Real fresh.
Yeah, that's real fresh.
I'm finding it so real fresh.
Yeah.
Real
life
fresh.
Is I'm living a real life. I don't fake it. It's just me.
Real fresh.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for visiting us today.
Yeah.
Now that we know that you're around. But I wanted to ask something. I hear bass in almost all your songs. What's the meaning of that?
It's my slogan, bass, as in make way.
It's what?
It's just like make way.
Make way. Say let me hear.
Bass. Like give chance.
Bass. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I got you. All right. So thanks so much for coming here. Maybe some other time we'll vibe some more. Maybe when the EP is ready and it's all out there, then maybe we invite you. Then we talk again. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah. All right.
You gotta make money if you know the essence. If you ask that, but you know what the essence.
And then not here for bass.
Give me the temps, yeah. I tend to get a boy, use your sense, yeah. There ain't a lot of stress, yeah. So many things there, but they happen for area. Many talking, they spray like malaria. Many things there for area.
Let's jump into some few shouts and then continue the rest of the program. I'll say greetings, Jerry. Today is my wife's birthday. That's Doreen Ohine Mensah in London. The entire family, both home and abroad, would like to wish her a glorious birthday. May the good Lord grant her all her heart desires. Amen. Eddie Boy sent in this one from the UK. So I say greetings, Jerry. Thank God for giving me another chance as God is healing me from my sick bed. I want to thank God that I can hear your voice again. Papa P in Tema sent in this one.
I know they look at your face and then they see us the way. I just give God the praise for my
And a happy birthday also going out to Mr. Christoph Kofi Lama from the parents Ava and Henry, and also from the children as well. That's Cassie, Chantel, Justine, and Sharona. We love him dearly, and may the good Lord bless him richly. Happy birthday one more time.
You gotta live together if you wanna stay fresh. You gotta make money if you know the essence. If you ask that, but you know what the essence.
We also say greetings, Jerry. Please, a very special happy birthday going out to my uncle's wife. That's Mimi Sego of Nyaniba Health College, Tema. May the good Lord bless and favor her May long life with good health, wisdom, understanding, success, and happy marriage be her portion in Jesus' name. From Nana Akomia Sechi and your husband, Mr. Augustine Okran, aka Mr. Jack, and the entire family wishing you well on your birthday. We also say happy birthday going out to Blessing Robinson of Bawi College of Education. Debut. Anyway, so I'll say wishing you wishing you a happy birthday, Blessing Robinson. I'll say more than lots of money, luxuries, materialistic happiness, and exciting glamour. I would like to wish you health, peace, stability in your life. And I wish to see you truly happy, dear friend, from Starboy Manuel. I'm out for me sending dedication to radiation. Let me give you the chance, yeah. Birthday back up. Grandma. I said more. Okay, cry now. I said. Many talking, they spread like malaria. Many things they fire. That's right. I thank God so we come back there. Where's Ossie, please? Help me wish my boss, Sister Ya, Hoban, Mr. Oh, debut, show. Oh. I be an American earlier. You on me to bombs out. Munti for please help me wish my boss, Sister Ya, Huban, because I saw Houban and I'm saying Mr. Akutu aka Bafo. No, I mean sure say husband no person. Hey, say one show we are much in France. I am more sending. I am we are more kind of much on you. If it sounds good to you, or what preaching, yes, I ever can. Obi to be video take cross now, boy. So at the end of can't. We now would tell my. And yet there be also all kind of day now, all kind of now editors. I am fine. I ask them all. Today, my tried it right. Not just a person just say, help me wish my boss, Sister Ya. And I mean, kind of, maybe, you know. Because me, I mean, it makes it some way. Mr. Akuto, aka Bafo at Tema. Come to 12 from George. Wow, show. Help me wish my boss, Sister Ya, and then the one I'm gonna Huban, Mr. Akutu, aka Balfour at Committee 12 from George, and all the workers of Yagi's Fashion Committee 7. Charlie, so we. Hey, mommy friends here, yeah. Oh, wrong way traveling for. Oh man. And when I did to when him say a GCB Bank, one child and neno, the copim a Sunday, or the shares from Kwaba, wash it now, wait me. Upgrade the core banking system. Say be able to deliver superior services at the ama or man phone now. And they say you know, watch out. If you're net Friday, at the copy Sunday, the 31st of October 2021, as a result of the upgrade now more you know, in branch services to customers and our general public, you know, there are 3 boy now normally be but what you say. All their digital channels, Nina, no say ATMs, mobile banking, mobile app, internet banking, and they are can there. About Juma till 7 p.m. and then you na G Money wallet to wallet services say be airtime top up ne bill payment near the end there and the ebekoswa aye juma during this period. That's from today, Friday the 29th to Sunday the 31st of October 2021. Or just say all services will be fully restored by 8 a.m. on Monday, the 1st of November. In Tiana Martian Susa. Na osande abase yamfanto ne customers nanim say say your opinion na say or password be any sensitive account information biano, do not share with anyone, and there's no way GCB Bank will contact the customer say omo fa omo account information mo na bibia te say omo nyesa ade nti I am wani now na obi anyo bukata bibia ni a ubetimi a friend to free line 0800 422 422 na ya bon chemu ana free 0302 634 94 yamfa bm 0302 634 922 and free 0302 246052 na yetimi assist to GCB so I apologize for any inconveniences bia sadi ebekofa ediaba. GCB, your bank for life. Now no me catch you say you can say you be jai adwumani na egu aban so onya wan try yen sabesi fom because baby omo ani kire no enya won yesu ani kire o all the amichi aya na ya so be hu say school nkola bi te classroom bi sua de dan fam bu baby okra dey dua choke school building no say be ya endwiri ngum of so na no ade say motia in the news school dan ko bugu nkola bi su ne ade a say na e hardwin because of that nkola sua dey or such structures mu no issue to ne boom boom no more from books no more coffee on passing bia a hardwin. That's not how it's supposed to be. It yakeka yensase the multimedia group and then the project be by a friend the classroom project the ayen say na contributing kakra the hashtag no give for change na kakra ebinya no yetimi de ahwe na ye yisa situation where if you ya build it befitting classrooms kama e de amamo fra na momotimi atenemu asua de na ye behia omo a nti kakra bia nso betimi bia keto bia nso fatum na ye fan type project echi we mumu number ya betimi atwa mumu kakra tum 059 30 38 832 again 059 30 38 832 edina was amomo number no so na account no Joy FM. And yes, Access Bank account number no 009010105491. That's 009010105491. Castle Road branch code is 009 and our Swift code is so yeah ABNGGHAC AC. Now what prekakra edi atuma mai. Any other inquiries be answer for ebejos near di unkomo and 0302 216 540. That's 0302 216 540. The Classroom Project, promoting social justice through philanthropy. And no asem and no ugusuti Adom 106.3 FM. And the Minister of Dedication Ede Bakubia Tumu Asisi a yemprechi na fi yentraso. Also happy birthday to Papa of our home family, and is no other. That's the Papa of our home. That's the family, no, and no other person we call Uncle Sam of Escas, Tema Community 2. And then come to One Peace Assemblies of God Church, and also Tema come to One Side 17. Uncle Sam, you do all. See, we all wish you special blessings upon blessings from Heavenly Father to grant you more years. Are you cool? Enjoy yourself. We all love you. From the wife, Mommy Janet, and our children, Mr. and Mrs. Date, Mr. and Mrs. Efisa, and all the Efisa family wishing Uncle Sam ono bia on ebe wishing and enede edu ono aso inti Uncle Sam, we all wishing you a happy birthday. May the good Lord bless you and bless you and bless you again in Jesus' name. Amen.
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence. The money nyina. Se wushia ama na misifite gusuna mesrea. Eya wawawahu. Me de Kel charcoal toothpaste. Ene twitri me se. Oba de nipa e wo bidie mu no. Ene de aye Kel charcoal toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel charcoal toothpaste so nie. Yeti center for.
Media ma Kel charcoal toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi na ma. Da me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania ma me num di bidie twitri yense no. Asaya bebie mu. Bidie wo Kel charcoal toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Mo wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel charcoal toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aje ejodi nka to ya tomo.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense were back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't know what dance ye say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy a home buying every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Mama who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntum Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha Jodian Cratu, my dear to Musay.
Hey, yeah, dear, my PA. Young as me, hey, my young Cotus Kension, and Tasasia, Thomas Mujo, Cowilet properties. What do it is 7,500, 15,000 per. Even as I say, come on, Equatema, come to 24 next hole, and Apollonia. I wouldn't know what to trust us or who was as I want to chat on 7,500. What am I summing? Shy Hills, or Chebre Cobb and Apollonia. One head office in ye, I shall not to look here. Medina so, Yanin Nisi Pharmacy opposite, Kaswa, your Crepsal City, what to Tana Sasua, Afinia, Esichari, Chupoli, Onye Dewenya. Rulet Properties, Ahaya, Nametomasa. Rulet Properties 0244 756984 and 020 230 9996. Rulet Properties, where genuine lands are sold.
Just come myself a new TV. Wanna watch football or new series. HD plastic code are there for me. I see I'm clear, crystal clear. Quality pictures you can't compare. Feely, 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 feely. Now you they see I'm feely, 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 feely.
Now you they see I'm feely, 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 feely. They see I'm feely.
HD Plus gives you control to search, pause, reverse and record your favorite shows. Now, when you download the My HD Plus app on your mobile and link it to your HD Plus decoder, you get free data to watch TV on the go every month. Visit any multi-TV dealer or Electroland outlet to purchase an HD Plus decoder at a limited offer of 99 Ghana cedis, 99 pesos, and stay in control of your TV viewing. HD Plus, enjoy feely.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day in your day.
And what's the Ofa Geisha Semina Subain? Gina Hopinti na Kowenim. Mempaba, Cosisa won't sabeka when need a swadi.
Matsu Mame, Megina painting a comenim. Na machapa to say geisha samina.
Be strong and last.
Jutsu, a DNA yaching in Tumapari 12 yards. Ani, na mienu beka hue. Wait pepe pena wooding a di brain. Koyan krabata ye siho. Not on tuma 12 years. Now when you're 14 years, sa pepe. When yan kuntebo, eye woodin. 12 yards via ubetobia, woodin ma mienu kahu free. Jutsu promotion, obia to minyebi. Kahu ko na senja. Frame was 0208 646 004. Jutsu, not Judy.
Woodin, le créateur.
Syndicated Capital introduces the Silent Night range of luxury mattresses and pillows. And for the first time, the Silent Night pregnancy and nursing pillows, crafted to provide exceptional relief for your legs, belly, and back during pregnancy, as well as amazing back support feeding your baby. No more sleepless nights and no more hustle with breastfeeding. Check out the Super Pillow Top Orthopedic Mattress, made with 12 inches of memory foam cushioning, providing unparalleled comfort and guaranteed to last for 20 years. No mattress comes close in comfort and support. Also available are high-quality bed sheets, reversible quills, a large collection of orthopedic pillows and luxurious towels at unbelievable prices. Silent Night products are available at all Melcom shops, game stores, and Silent Night showrooms at Tema, Asylum Down, Adenta, Spintex Road, and Kumasi behind Menchia Palace, or call 0302 242532 or 050-131-5776. Silent Night. Sleep like never before.
Hey, close up. Ever fresh air, ever fresh air. Ever fresh air, ever fresh air.
Train you. All new close up ever fresh no. Dear Nasa.
Share. Say I will triple fresh formula be a who a boss here children by Najo no say from. A son in Yamamiansa, a antibacteria, a kutia numia, purifying gel, and a cadia, and my numujua, a yakabonunti. Who you know boy no near see a children who buy free and winning now. Then my numati say, come on, the morning na.
Close up ever fresh. Pona konjo dear.
FTIJ Trading Katuya too.
Ghana hadie tukumi so nyum no ano bia de sawo efrise Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitigu obia so Togo meso Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wodi be friend network bia ego bia so don hwiri bia de bia sa kosi December e wo Tugo meso promo ne mo na chede abotin wanwanso ankasa esisiwo no 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na koswa fa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bribia na wetimi Bekani Pampima will be winning Sikabe 1 million Ghana cedis no. Entibu trend dia iwonia. But star 500 hashes is here.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Ghana way! Adom TV Kofabai, Yasan Kayeho! Now wait the chain croy, the big talent show! Anya, a reality show from Kwa. I'm a young little people for Quenya. I'm a one child, do my chanting and coupon diamomo. I was stage Bambala Bacoso. A B Toyo, a B Sa, a B in Sanqua, as a terra. One edge abutri, Anya Chadia Cassia Dasono, the big talent show. And Nicasa, should be Quasia Dani Quasia de Bia. And you run on what you buy mu, our Doom TV so, the big talent show. Want to mean take Adom TV. You what you ye?
Jumedie, you may qua woman ya carbomu. Darling lemon alcoholic drink. Taste it, feel it, ene. Bobobo beaters. Boswe. Abwa for mutaye chibinso ene. 21st Clinic. Elohim Treatment Center. Dominion Herbal Powder. Bar Herbal Center. Hometamin Ginseng. Classic Ointment. Aquata.
After 3-minute clinics designed to help you resolve the to build or buy dilemma, EcoBank Cities and Habitats and Joy News now bring you the main event of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021. This year's fair, the 12th edition, assembles an even greater number of exhibitors offering a lot more variety in quality housing options from materials through to housing accessories, landed properties as well as financing to help you either buy, build, spec, rent or rent to own. It's the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair 2021 powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats at the Accra International Conference Center from Wednesday 27th to Sunday 31st October 2021 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. day. You can also follow us on our social media platforms with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own. Sponsors Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. And Anki's Home Decor, your home sorted. EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing.
Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day in your day.
And what's the Ofa Geisha Semina Subain? Gina Hopinti na kowenim. Mempaba, cause the once a becca we need a swadi.
Matamame, make na painting a comenim. Na machapa to say Geisha Semina.
Be strong and last.
Sakratwe FD Ajiatu.
Adom FM. OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
see you cry. Somebody,
saying I time for na share she could do the same. Miss no way fee me na bone bang and then the men who nyansa baby sasa bane say wa pepe mu fi. What else? Baby yanga boy be me nam. My joint is a chingam. Baby yanga boy be me nam. Baby I will be present go where it is.
Just woman, that insurance you know what I mean. Yeah, I don't need a one time in a minute. No more dream I can't be the Ponaqueti. The swap on for the school fees. Peter say a woman basis and the GD. You'll be a bossy and post a member 2G. No, the men will be a car. I grab a Tom and one Mamma Mindiasa. And yet it's a mirror no, and then be a bunch of one show with me watching every woman Tiaka. Yes. Near home and a catcher as a phone. I dream fin Timun to Menda Mompaso. The work I'm with the Sika the women, so when you're minister, you Mamma Medas Minaso. They for me, them now what can I say? Me too, born and actually, I can't. They didn't put them in and I will see a G. I would say, me can't say, they for me, them now what can I say? Me too, born and actually, I can't. They didn't put them in and I will see a G. See what you say, me can't say, see me a 20 such income. Baby, I am a boy, baby, me no. My joint is a chingam. Baby, I am a boy, baby, me no. See, I'm a joint is a chingam. Baby, I am a boy, baby, me no. My joint is a chingam.
And that's King Sack right there. With Bisake there. With Chingam. Anyway, a bass for me, bonus say, me born the title, and I may feel comfortable. Cry. And then Chingam. Sako de Hydro. Chingam. Oh, CHINGAM. Chingam. And then I'm my Chingam. Grab a shamo who and dance in a kitchen. I yakata for your so when you chop money, I will bury your mighty. The kind, minimum is so taifa. Sika same till the shame of the mobile that was a messiah for Kaiser, dear so my Kaiser. Nasika will pay the via senior taxi driver. The Bushias in the team. Me and the person in them one of these. My yanka walk and I may run and just so come Jane. I feel my salon. Sister Fia, Frida, and our sister. Maka Munina more La Paz New Market. Then him say a drum for man so do mutio sa de anache se ba bia wu so mutio mbie ni se go yi otu chama munina La Paz Market for nyina e chechiamo ya tiesi market mu de ene yan koma Lata Market e chechiamo nyina na mesin ko Tama Comtina Market e chechiamo na na fe yan twem from Comtina ne ko Comtina Market Kwasi Adwaso. Yeah. Oh, how do you papa? Ana Tama come to 2 market. What do you do? Ubeshia a crab burger bar. European market. Hey, die. Oh, a crown no more. Almost rage and wow. Ubeshia a crown come to 2 pana. Pussycat na mona a granny ya chair, but no pussycat na chairman. I say, yes, who are you? Oh, yeah, you go. Yeah, if you drew my time, they talk. This will be all to do European market. One now once I will say, we are keto daytime now. A grandpa, why can social hips pan or Basia? Or show footsteps no, you're not Unia, no Betiana, no, I can't check a crab. I say, John, where, Papa? Oh, wow, who cry? Say, call to 2. What's a giant? Now, yen checha, I go blow shiffonina, so ye checha bunina. In fact, market, baby,
more market, various markets now. Mutie me no more to me crana min shamwai.
So what is that? You chop.
Send me more market ni dia. What are mama why? Okay, Achimota market. Yeah, Achimota market.
Kaiser dear.
Wana madi na adwa ebuju. Adwa azir.
Me any pass me name one this. My yanka.
Come to two grano. I'm to say New York in grano.
And then you to the
almost some mushes. Now, in case you're wondering what's new, in the all-new close-up ever fresh there, and it now has a triple fresh formula that cleans, protects, and cools. Thanks to the powerful combination of 1, a purifying gel, 2, an antibacterial mouthwash formula, and 3, an ice cool crystals that cleans, fights up to 90% bacteria, and intensely cools. It keeps you protected and fresh long after brushing. Close Up Triple Fresh formula cleans, protects, and cools. Go grab yours now. Young fast that can say pa Emma Tema Women's Hospital. In fact, Omaya there. Omoka, very few hospitals are to see yourself on free breast cancer screening at the amount for throughout the month of October. And it's a teacher Maya there pa Madonna na koshe show mdufu muni ade. Yebese mo amokoshe show mo e kire mo se mo de no mo be nya feda chest na ade no mo nkona yen hwema why na yetimi hu ntemu a na yeso ano ntemu a isa say enufo no ehu nya yen pa na twede ye watwe esremo ada why na wusi akoje na bita for so yenchia na bita for sky se na bita for so abadwuma pa almost so ebo modern enumba ku bi utu ho sanyo no aisa mete achi bi za ade ba no shem de pa a mete mi atwa tum sisi ade akoini wa
Feel like water. I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Now they feel like water. I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Now they feel like water. I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Now they feel like water. I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Now they feel like water. I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Now they feel like water. I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Now they feel like water. I'm too blessed to be a loser. What else? Now they feel like water.
Alpha.
People they tell me things. Very wonderful. I know they want you. Be my baby boo. My Tashi would know. Say what?
Okay, Grace Mawunyo and so Eddie Aba or see Teshi Market. You two chama pa. And James Tay Kwesi on so say Assessawa and of Agogo Market. You two chama muna and Madina Market. Yeah. Na Kaswa Market for
Me sweetie,
enjoy it.
Me sweetie, wanna be.
When you want to sound like Adina. Okay, Nkoko market. Yeah. That market to Ichepao. Nkoko market.
Girl, I wanna love you to the end of time. May you want the process to kill my soul. So don't be surprised if I kill myself all in the name of love. Me and I may be pair will let me pay the price. So I dream see me team, I am a filled with love. Beauty in the eyes of the beholder. Oh, to girl, I'm sober. And kind of life, and I'm chasing my door when it's over. To see I'm irresponsible, me bomb over as a soldier.
And well done and congratulations. And come on. Vida, or your police officer, Ewatema. Nyame Adoma, Ochna, Ena, Owari. Samuel. Na Jumedi and Bekoso, the Church of Pentecost. Roman Ridge District. Jack and Jill School Nechi na Ochna Anopa 11. Neshisha so. Yeba be Jema Betawachi. Nabi Biako ye. Nyamin kan ho. Bibia be fine. Right. Nanaya, baby, I hear you man. I want your market. Missing me chicha market for.
Love it to the end of time.
And as a son, and DVLA headquarters market.
So fall in the name of love. Me and I may be pair.
Nanaya only a more Nina be chicha. We know.
I said the eyes of the holder. Home to girl, I'm sober. And kind of life, I'm chasing my door. To see I'm irresponsible. Me bomb over as a soldier.
And special shouts going out to you, my good friend Kwame G. Kwame G. Oh, yeah, G. Rough. That my giant Nasubuta. Kwame G. A quiet guy. I can't remember who be all. A woman about is you. And some says, and also be far. I can't remember who be. And also lie won't brutal. And also what tissue or do Musana, you know, man for a stars there. We are not the album of Gutia. Okay, me huba. Faba. Adom. Alpha. Akwabwa and Adina. Ya teatra. Let's go. Adom. Make them talk whatever they want to talk. We hear pass, but we don't go mind them. Sky ya or Paris Agata Market. Kofoidia. James Tessa Ashama Market. Oh say Ashama. What do you mean move you want come coming na moto in some hair but you the mention market you know say Ashama Market day.
It's in some baby or maybe I know so we're changing my life. Something to buff you run we wanna everything some people maybe I know if you know the sugar that you can no
Kaneshi Market. Techima Market. Boachi Joseph Nede no buy. Ofori Michael said Pong Market. And then I Chiamunina. Hey, Mankesi Market. Hey, Mr. Saddam, Menino confirm for on the hey. Otokraba Market. Yes. Makai, so I also Central for us, then. That's right.
I swear you're the best guy.
Hey, Becky, I see you. Becky say, fishing harbor market. And then a new town for yeah. Papa P, I said, I should have Canada. Japan market. I see. And now Suhum market. Yeah, every market. I see. Sana shenity.
K Kobe Bia. Justice.
All SIM cards in Ghana must be registered again with only the Ghana card. Yes, only the Ghana card.
You will not be able to make voice calls, use mobile money services, internet, and all other services linked to your SIM card if you don't.
To register, dial *404# and follow the prompts. You will be required to send the following details on your Ghana card: Ghana card number, surname, first name, date of birth, and sex.
You will then receive a special code which you will present to your nearest service provider agent or customer care center for your biometric details to be captured. Remember to add your digital address.
Dial *404# on your phone to start registering your SIM card today.
For more information, contact your service provider on 100 or the National Communications Authority on toll-free number 0800 110622. Register your SIM card to stay connected.
Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day in your day.
And what's the Ofa Geisha Semina Subai? Gina Hopinti na Kowenim. Mempaba, cause the one Sabeka we need a swadi.
Matamame, Majina painting Akomenim, na Machapa to say Geisha Semina.
Be strong and last.
Empty Ajiatu.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
I'm feeling lonely. I feeling lonely or by person about. Also, say friend, I will be and say, I will bring running wine and number. Or catch all the others. I come up and say, because you, any boy now last will be it. Why'd you make Bob Jack? And that's Jalid with Lonely. But Charlie, let's kill it. He calls this one Sirikeke. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, Sirikeke from the man Jalid will take us to check our time. That's right, y'all. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with a freestyle edition of your own show, OfieKwanso. Many thanks to you for your time with us. And thank you so much for being a part of the show throughout the week from Monday up until today, Friday, the 29th of October. Yes, we're killing the mat. How does it? Monday, I bet say she'll be God willing. But I bet do on our board around November, you know what I'm saying? And I'm when you say, I do on some comment team, you know, Papa Bills to African to Jamestown J. Cole. To now say I'm for J. Kwame Oboa dear, Obri Oboa Fenton Friend, Kobe Stone or come and cry. And everybody who passed through the show, not forgetting Mommy Boots, Afe Hetty, and Ella. You're from me, Jerry Justice. As always, assembly about Cope. Who's your new and watch Yano, now watch Syria Treno. is an serious Nipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us. Do have a great evening and a great weekend as well. We out of here.